Next comes the installation of the insulators. These are necessary when installing individual contacts, as some cordless models have solder runs that, if not properly insulated against, will cause problems with the operation of your phone, as the new contact has the potential to touch these solder points. Take time to carefully center each insulator over each contact on the circuit board, paying close attention to not overlap the small LED lights that provide illumination to your tone pad. These have been circled in red. Finish applying all insulators before moving forward. Now comes one of the more intricate tasks, trimming each pad-mate contact so as to minimize overlap on both your LED lights and nearby contact points on the circuit board. Carefully trim a circle around each permapad contact, making sure to leave enough adhesive surface to hold against the insulators. Watch the video, as it is a good example of how much adhesive should remain. Once you've trimmed all your contacts, remove the 3M adhesive backing and begin to very carefully position these over your pre-placed insulators. The adhesive surface should not extend beyond the insulator. Finish placing the rest as you did the first, again making sure to not cover the LED lights. And that's it. Reassemble your cordless phone, making sure your tone pad, rubber headset plug, and if applicable, all other buttons are in place. Carefully flip the circuit board back over and fasten the antenna screw. Next, return your charging contacts to their correct places. This will be much easier to do if you remember in which order you remove them. Once your board is secured, fasten the back housing to the front, which is done by simply tucking the wires back into the phone and applying light pressure back to the fasteners. They will click on their own. Lastly, return the final screws to the back of the battery compartment and install your battery and battery cover.